Hello learners. Welcome to Narrative Nook. Today we have the story called I Found a Leaf. Let's see, what does a little girl do when she finds a leaf? If you find a leaf, you could dream the day away. It could be a hat on a chilly day, or a boat you could sail far, far away. You could float high above the trees, parachuting down to see all the other leaves. If you find a leaf, it could be a hammock, a place for you to rest away in a gentle breeze. It could be your Halloween disguise, a leafy crown, a dancer's skirt, or a superhero's cape. Could be anything you wish to make. You could go apple picking and pumpkin picking too, zooming up the road with your leafy crew. It could be a horn that blows, announcing that we're here. If you find a leaf, it could be a glowing fire to gather round and sing with friends, or a comfy blanket for you to snuggle in. And when the day grows shorter and the last leaf falls, I know it's time to say goodbye. Winter calls. Until the spring, when all is green and leafy shoots open towards the sun. Thank you for watching this story. See you next time again with another interesting story at Narrative Nook. Bye.